Hi, welcome to this video. We'll talk about cleaning mechanical keyboards today and the things you'll need for that, so let's get started. First of all, you need a flat surface, a microfiber cloth, cleaning spray, cotton swabs, paper, bowl. We'll also use a vacuum cleaner and a blow dryer in this video. They can help you, but they're not necessary. This is the keyboard we're going to be working with. It's my Razer BlackWidow Chroma V2, and I clean it around once a year, so this is how it looks like right now, and it's pretty dirty, but we're going to see the progress we make with each step. First step, take a picture of your keyboard. This will help you later on when you need to put all the keys back to the place they belong to. Then remove all the detachables that the keyboard has, like this wrist rest, flip the keyboard over, give it a spank, and see what falls out of it. Clean the surface up and proceed to the next step. You'll have to start removing the buttons from the keyboard, and you can do this with a keycap remover with your fingers or with a plastic card, which is what I did here. Basically, you need to put your card under the key, make a lever out of it, and it will pop off quite easily. Focus on removing the smaller keys first, and leave the spacebar, enter, shift, and the other big keys for later. After removing the small ones, you have to take off the bigger ones, and there's a little trick here because they look like this. And the springs from the keyboard need to be inside of this little frame, which means that you have to be careful when removing them, and you need to try to push and pull them gently until they slide off. Also, make sure to have these springs facing downward so your cloth doesn't get stuck when cleaning. Now you've got all your keys in a bowl. Fill it up with water, add some detergent, mix it up, and put it somewhere on the side for later. Then you will need your cloth and your cleaning spray and start cleaning the keyboard. You can either continue cleaning with the cloth, but a faster way of doing this is getting your vacuum cleaner and then start going through the keyboard. It will be able to pick up the majority of the dirt that is there. After that, take some cotton swabs and start going into details in and around the keys. Take some paper, cleaning spray, and rub around the keyboard, and make sure to flip it over and get the back of it also. After doing this, we're going back to get our keys that have been sitting in the water. Take another bowl, get the keys, dry them a bit with your cloth, and get your blow dryer ready. Use the blow dryer to dry them as much as possible, and it should take you around 2 or 3 minutes, but it will make them quite dry. After drying them, run them through the cloth a bit more and start putting them in correct positions. This is where the picture of the keyboard comes in handy from before. It's kind of like a puzzle game without that. Put the big keys back first, and remember to place them correctly, push them down and see if they work and click. After the big keys, start with the smaller ones, and this should take you a couple of minutes. After the tedious work that you've done on putting the keys back together, get your cloth again and remember to clean your cable and if you have any other accessories that go with your keyboard, like this wrist rest. And here is the final product. The difference between these is quite big and it shouldn't take you more than 40 minutes to do this, so you could definitely spare the time to do this at least once a year. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and I hope you will come back for more.